In this video today, I'm gonna be going over how you can make money on YouTube without even showing your face and without even recording videos. Yes, it is possible, and in this video here today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. You have to follow these 3 different steps. So number 1 is choosing a niche. So first of all, you need to find a niche that you can make and upload videos in. And this has to be a niche in which you can make videos without even showing your face. So for example, you could do a top 10 channel. Now top 10 channels are also referred to as list channels, and I'm sure you have seen channels like this on YouTube. For example, you might have seen channels that show the top 10 fights or the top 10 Netflix series. These are all examples of list videos which are a perfect way to make money on YouTube without even showing your face and without even recording videos. Another great example of a niche is the health niche. For example, you could do a video such as the health nutrition, and the key with choosing a niche is that you wanna go as specific and as narrow as you possibly can. So for example, you might not wanna do health as a whole general thing, but instead, maybe you wanna do just vegan health, or you wanna do ways to build muscle. These are great examples of what I like to call the sub-niches, in which you niche down even further from that big broad niche of health, going into something more specific. Alright, now the second step is to create and upload content. You don't have to appear on camera for this, you just have to record your voice. You can do that easily with your phone, you don't need any fancy equipments for these. And then in a video editor you can overlay clips that you'd like to use. Now be careful with using clips. Don't just go take other people's clips and then upload them on YouTube. Make sure you have their permissions to use those clips and you are following guidelines such as fair use. One thing that you could do is go to free stock footage websites. So some examples of these are pexels.com and videvo.net. These are great examples of places where you can find completely free stock footage to use within your YouTube videos. And then you do a voiceover on top of these videos, and there you go. You have a video that you didn't even record yourself, but you are allowed to legally upload those videos onto YouTube and make money as a result from them. And that brings me to the third step, monetizing your YouTube channel. So you are probably wondering how in the world am I gonna make money from my channel if I'm just uploading these random videos? Now there's several different ways you can make money and monetize your YouTube channel, one of which is YouTube Partner Program. So you can take part in this when you have 4,000 hours of watch time across your entire channel and 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Once you reach those milestones, you are able to join YouTube Partner Program, in which YouTube will put ads on your videos and you will be paid for every single view or ad impression that you get on those respective videos. Another great way to monetize your YouTube channel, even if you are not showing your face, is to promote affiliate products. Now you can find products like these on affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, Digistore24. Here you can find affiliate products to promote. So for example, if you are doing a health YouTube channel, you can find affiliate products like the best green juice that have an affiliate program. Sign up for those affiliate programs and then promote those in the link in the description of your YouTube videos, as well as putting that link in the pinned comment section of your YouTube videos. This is an amazing way to monetize your YouTube channel, and even if you don't have 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscribers, to start making money right away and start monetizing your YouTube channel right away. So as a conclusion, there are so many different ways you can make money on YouTube. If you want to know about all these things in detail for absolutely free, then make sure to check out the free training on making money with YouTube with Matt Parr, the link of which is given in description. He runs 9 different YouTube channels, 8 of which he don't make any content for. He makes around $30,000 a month from YouTube, so make sure to go check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find it helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.